Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Themeservice Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. To start the walkthrough for Themeservice Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the Themeservice Library, the Windows Themeservice Library. It manages the localized execution of visual styles and handles the localized rendering of window borders, taskbars, and localized UI skins. If missing, the system will revert to a localized classic or high contrast theme manifest. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Themeservice Library DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Themeservice Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Themeservice Library DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Themeservice Library. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Themeservice Library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.